Hello, CiCity in the building. Today I will be preparing some chicken pasta penne with spinach. I do have my stove on medium right now. And I've already seasoned my chicken breast with Italian seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. I seasoned one side, so here we go. I'm going to just put this in the skillet. Let that go. And I'm going to cook this on one side for about a minute or so. Let it cook. For a minute or so on either side, and then I'm going to re-season the other side. Like I said, I do have it on medium, so I'm going to season this other side with black pepper. Sprinkle some paprika at your leisure, however you like it. Some Italian seasoning. Already did the other side. Garlic powder. At your leisure, you know, nothing too spectacular. Let that cook. Yep, let that cook. So I'm going to add just a little tad more of olive oil, just a tad, and give it a little spin there, and let it cook. I'll turn it up to like a medium high, like a medium, little in between medium and medium high. You know, all stoves are different. Mine don't want to act right until you cooking something really fast, but oh well, I'm not trying to do that today. I'm just preparing this chicken breast for, you know, a meal for today, and I want you all to come in and see what I do and how I do it, you know. So everybody's welcome. Everybody is welcome to CiCi's Kitchen. Like and subscribe. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. You know, I'm just new to the crew and I'm trying to get this done, and you know, hopefully I can get people to watch me and see what I'm doing here. You know, that's basically what I'm trying to do here, that's all. Yep. And so I'm going to let this go, like I said, for the first minute. This was the second minute. I turned it once again. You got to wait till the chicken cooks all the way through. You just can't rush it, because if you do that, you're going to have a bad meal. And I'm going to be dining on this meal, so I want y'all to join me on another video. Once I cook this, I will be dining to show you. Oh my God, it's going to be the bomb, because it is so tender right now. So I'll give it another turn. Oh wow, look at that. And then I'm going to take it off. Take it off and rest it for a second. Now, to me, I like to get all the little nitty gritty out of there. But a lot of people just go for what they know. But I'm going to add some garlic. Just a couple cloves of garlic. You can add 3 if you want. But me, I'm just going to add a couple cloves of garlic. You know, let them go. And then, you know, people, they said to put, you know, fry the bacon in this. But me, I'm going to just add some bacon bits, which is a little quicker way of getting that bacon flavor. Okay. So there you go. Down, stir that. Really, 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 really good. And then I'm going to add a little chicken broth. Maybe half a cup of chicken broth. Half a cup of chicken broth. Right? Get that going, get that going. A little bit of chicken broth to the mix there. And a half a cup of heavy cream. So I'm just going to pour that in the mix. You can measure me, I don't need to measure. So, and let that simmer up. A bit. Then I'm add my chicken back in here. Like so. And let that go for a second. So I'm going to add my chicken. I like my chicken in there while I'm doing my thing, you know. So now I'm going to add spinach. This is already cooked spinach, guys. So you can add your spinach. Or you can use fresh. I prefer to use what I already had available because I want to get rid of it for one thing. So this is, I'm adding the spinach. And you can put, I say a half a cup of spinach in the mix. You know, since it's already done, it's not going to be a long cooking process. So now I'm going to add some tomatoes that I've already got chopped up here. So I've already got the bacon, the spinach. I like a lot of spinach in mine. So, I mean, you can do it at your leisure. It depends on your taste buds and such. So I got that going there. Wash your hands. That going, got that going, got that going. Okay, and now I'm going to add some cheese. This is, I cut this up. This is a mozzarella cheese. Oh, you can turn it. Turn it down to back to medium. I had it turned it up a little bit, but I'm turning it back down to medium so it can basically simmer in there. But I'm also going to add some more cheese, and this is mozzarella as well. You know. Okay, now I want to add a little more chicken broth, maybe another half a cup or a fourth of a cup. 1/4 of a cup, you guys. Look how cheesy that is. And then I'm going to add the penne. I cooked this earlier. So when I did my cooking, I didn't have to do much. To make it quick, you know, guys, just prepare, and you should be fine. But like I say, just do it like that. Give it a stir, stir, stir. And me, I cut my chicken up while it's in the pan. You know, a lot of people take it out and cook it. I don't see the reason, and it's so tender. I can do it right here like this. Look at that. It's just cutting, just doing what it do inside of the pan. Looks great, smells great too. Wow. And it's going to be even better once I get my choppers down on it. See, guys? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now, I'm going to let that simmer a bit. Add a couple more drops of half and half. That was maybe a quarter more of that. And that's it. And I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes. I put a lot of spinach in mine, guys. You don't have to put as much as I do, but I love it like that. So now let me cut this. Is a huge, huge, huge piece. Huge, huge, huge. That one too. And just let it go. And just let it go. It is cheesy, cheesy. Yep, so there you have it. Like I say, let that simmer for a few minutes. And it looks great, smells great, and it's going to be great. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. And yes, yes, yes. I'm going to sprinkle a little basil on here once it gets done. Put a little paprika in there, make it prettier. So, yeah, just let it go. Go, go, go. Just like that. Just like that, just like that. Just like that. So, I'm going to let that simmer. Give it a stir. Look how, oh. Okay. So, guys, that's all to it. All to it, all to it, all to it. And you got your meal. So, okay, that'll be all. Please like and subscribe. If you like my idea here with the penne, spinach, and bacon. Thank you for watching.